Today we are going to do a 2-page monthly spread for April. And one thing I can see already that I'm going to have to do is cover up some coffee spots. And I have no idea how I got coffee spots on my April monthly planner. It is still the very beginning of March when I was doing this. And I'm going to start out by putting down some ink through a stencil. I decided I wanted to go with April blues or something like that, and this is going to be an all blue layout for the month of April. So I've selected a couple of stencils and a couple of distress inks that I'm going to use to decorate the layout, and then I'm going to do the functional planning. And as always, there will be links to the supplies in the description box below. This particular ink, this is, I think that's Blueprint Sketch, which to me is almost like a tanzanite color. It's almost a royal blue. That blue that in the right light is purple, but it's also a really intense color. And I really like it. But because it's so intense, that's one of the reasons why I used the smaller stencil that's not going to put quite as much ink on the page. And unfortunately, those coffee spots are right in the middle of the planner. It's not like at the very beginning where maybe I'm not going to have a day in April there. Nope, it's kind of unavoidable. So I used my Tombow marker, this is a light gray marker, to pen in the dates real quick. You could also use date stamps, but I find this is just a little bit quicker. And if you like your handwriting, it's a perfectly acceptable way to get the dates on the page. And I would say about 80% of the time, I like my handwriting. And once again, I am going to these new Carpe Diem stamps. Well, they're new to me. I don't think they're new. I'm pretty sure Carpe Diem came out with them a long time ago. But they're new to me. I just got these in my scrapbook.com order probably about 3 days before I did this planning session. And you probably saw them in last week's Plan With Me. And I am really digging this stamp set. This quarter box not only fits the weekly planner perfectly, it fits the monthly planner really well too. You can kind of see off to the left, I've got a page that's got a chronological list of all the different events that I've got coming up. So I'm constantly looking back at that and looking at the calendar, and is this a work event? Is this home? Is this a blog post that's going live? And I'm kind of color coding based on that. So all of those forget-me-not blue events, those are going to be work events. They're going to be meetings, training sessions, timesheets being due, things like that. And I think that's sky blue, and that's going to be all blog post blog and video, either for this channel or for my other channel. And the cobalt is going to be personal items, places, trips I'm going to take, trips my husband and I are going to take. And on the 14th, there's this TV show. The final season is debuting, and a lot of people are excited about it, me included. I really like that silverware stamp set. I know it's meant for like meal planning and stuff, but it's also great for on the 4th. I've got a banquet I've got to go to. And then on, I think that's the 16th, I've got a lunch meeting that I got to go to. So I thought it worked really great for those purposes. And the little car thing, I know that's supposed to be for car maintenance, but we're going to take little mini road trips on those days, and the car works great for that too. And that's pretty much going to do it for my functional planning. Now I'm going to try to cover up that coffee spot. And this little banner is from the farmhouse sticker book from the Happy Planner. And the idea was to use it as a base for a decorative element. And I think if I was going to do this over again, I probably would put the quote all the way over to the right and then use the rose gold splatters on both sides just to give it that continuity from one side to the other. But I wouldn't worry about trying to split the quote. And now I've got rose gold in the middle of the page, so I need to add some more rose gold elements to other parts of the layout just so that it doesn't look really out of place. And you can't waste rose gold. So all these little bits that I'm trimming off, I'm finding another home for them elsewhere on the layout. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you got any inspiration, be sure and hit that thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this or crafty videos crafty videos, be sure and hit that subscribe button. And if you'd like to know more about this layout, check out the link in the description box below. Bye!